A Samsung laptop that won't power on often suffers from power-related failures. This means the motherboard isn't receiving charge. Common causes include a dead battery, faulty power adapter, motherboard issues, or a depleted CMOS battery. We'll go through diagnosing and fixing these. First, check your power adapter. Use a multimeter to ensure it outputs the correct voltage, typically 19 volts DC. Inspect the cord for damage. Look for frayed wires or exposed sections that could prevent proper charging. Next, if possible, test the battery. A voltage below 10.8 volts usually means it needs replacement. Remember, Samsung batteries are model specific. Always check compatibility before purchasing a replacement. For reference, Samsung adapters typically provide 19-volt DC output. Start with the first basic step. Plug in the power adapter securely to both the laptop and the wall outlet to ensure it receives power. Next, press and hold the power button for exactly 30 seconds. This discharges any remaining power in the capacitors, which can help reset the system. Now, release the power button and attempt to turn the laptop on by pressing it briefly. Check if any indicator lights come on. If the indicator lights flicker but the screen remains blank, it could be an issue with the display or the RAM modules. A depleted CMOS battery, the small coin cell on the motherboard, can prevent the laptop from starting. This is the CR2032 coin cell battery that maintains system settings. First, unplug the laptop and ensure it's powered off to avoid electrical hazards. Carefully open the laptop by removing the back panel to access the internal components. Locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard and gently remove it from its socket. Wait a few seconds, then reinsert the battery. Close the laptop and try powering it on. This simple reset can often resolve no-post or power-on self-test issues. With readily available tutorials on platforms like YouTube and repair sites, DIY laptop repairs have become increasingly popular among users looking to save money and learn new skills. However, it's important to be aware that opening your Samsung laptop to perform repairs will void any remaining warranty coverage. If you're uncomfortable with the technical aspects of repair or lack the necessary tools, it's best to seek professional help from authorized service centers. Professional repair costs typically average around $150 for power-related issues, which is significantly less than the $600 or more it would cost to purchase a new laptop. AI-powered diagnostics can help identify laptop issues. Samsung's SmartThings app, through compatibility modes, uses artificial intelligence to scan for common faults. Third-party tools like HW Monitor AI also employ AI to detect problems such as power jack damage or battery issues. These tools can pinpoint battery degradation by analyzing temperature and capacity data. They also identify power jack damage through hardware monitoring. Real-world examples show successful fixes for no-power issues in Samsung laptops. Users have replaced swollen batteries, fixed faulty power jacks, and resolved firmware bugs with BIOS updates. However, liquid damage often leads to unrepairable corrosion. In one case, a 2013 Samsung NP900X3A owner replaced a swollen battery costing $50 on eBay and reseated the RAM, restoring full laptop function. Similar fixes have a 100% success rate in community reports. For ATIV Book 9 laptops, faulty power jacks were repaired by soldering replacements at a cost of $20 for parts. According to iFixit data, this model has a 70% repairability rate. Corporate fleets of NPRV series laptops experienced firmware bugs that were resolved through batch BIOS updates using Samsung's legacy tool, achieving a 90% success rate. Older Series 5 models suffered from spills causing motherboard corrosion, which proved unrepairable in many cases. Statistics show a 50% failure rate for liquid-damaged Samsung laptops. Repairing extends device life, reducing e-waste by keeping devices out of landfills and promoting a circular economy. Trends point to more DIY fixes, with tools and tutorials making repairs accessible to users. Trends also include sustainable electronics with eco-friendly materials and designs, along with AI-guided diagnostics that help predict and resolve issues remotely. While parts for older Samsung laptops may become scarce due to discontinued production, advancements like 3D printed parts could help extend their lifespan and enable custom repairs.